Oh, hi, Rivet.
Yes, hi. Um,
Nice to see you too, Rivet. So, how is your universe doing?
so,
Sure. You want to tell me something, Riv?
I,
Aw, you got a crush on her? Let me guess. Is it Angela Cross? Oh, I see. I thought you were Terrence. Aw, I'm sorry to hear that, Riv. Oh, you should tell her how you feel. Besides, it's normal to be afraid if you're in love with someone. Besides, I'm sure she has feelings for you as well. Yes, anytime. So tell me, who is it? Hmm, that sounds familiar. Then tell me, who is it you have a crush on? I guess don't mind, Riven. None of my friends would notice.